Aiboan, good evening, bonsoir. So welcome to our webinar on the innovative and ethical creative writing platform, Panodyssey. So this webinar is organized by the French Language Association of the Department of Languages, Cultural Studies and Performing Arts of the University of Sri Jayewardenepura in Sri Lanka. So let me begin the webinar with an interesting quote by Professor William Marx, who is the current chair of comparative literature in Collège de France. So he says in his speech, literature without lying to us offers us both illusions and disillusions in a hostile world. The pleasure we experience from reading is something no one can take away from us. Alors en français, la littérature sans nous mentir nous offre des illusions et des désillusions dans un monde hostile. Ce plaisir que nous éprouvons par la lecture, personne ne peut pas nous le retirer. So I'm thrilled to have you all here today. We have an exciting session lined up with insightful discussions and valuable information. Our distinguished guest, the creator of Panodyssey, Mr. Alexandre Le Forestier, will take us through the journey and vision behind Panodyssey. So let's dive into this inspiring session and explore the future of creative writing together. Alors, bonjour, Monsieur Alexandre Le Forestier. Bienvenue à notre webinaire sur la plateforme innovante et éthique de la rédaction créative. Ce webinaire est organisé par l'Association des étudiants de la langue française à l'Université de Sri Jayewardenepura, Sri Lanka. Je suis ravie de vous accueillir tous aujourd'hui. Nous avons prévu une session passionnante avec des discussions enrichissantes et des informations précieuses. Notre invité distingué, le créateur du Panodyssey, M. Alexandre Le Forestier, nous fera découvrir le parcours et la vision derrière Panodyssey. Alors, plongeons ensemble dans cette session inspirante et explorons l'avenir de la création littéraire. Mais avant de commencer, j'ai des petites choses à vous rappeler. So before we begin, I would like to remind you that you should keep your microphones muted unless you want to speak. So if you have any questions during the presentation, kindly type them in the chat box. We will address them during the Q&A session at the end. And if you have any technical issues, we will try to help you our best, right? And then finally, we encourage you to actively participate and engage with the content and the discussions. Right. So now let me start. Alors, first of all, Mr. Forestier, who are you? So could you provide a brief introduction to yourself? Alors, vous êtes qui? Pouvez-vous vous présenter pour notre public sri-lankais?
Alors, bonjour à toutes et tous. Thank you to the university, thank you to the teacher, thank you to the students. So from my side, in fact, I am an entrepreneur for 25 years ago in the cultural and digital industries. First of all, in 2001, from Paris, I created my first company, a recording company dedicated to classical and jazz music. Then in 2006, I created my second company, a music streaming platform in high definition for music lovers and audiophiles. Then in 2017-18, I decided to launch a new project dedicated to the creative writings, culture and creativity, the social media, Panodyssey.
Right. So, okay. So now what is the story behind the creation of Panodyssey? From where did you get this idea and why this platform is unique? Alors, pouvez-vous nous raconter l'histoire derrière cette plateforme? Alors, comment vous avez eu cette idée de créer ce site?
Alors, tout d'abord, cette histoire, elle se nourrit de mes expériences donc passées, que je viens d'évoquer très brièvement, dans la musique en ligne et dans la créativité. C'est-à-dire qu'aujourd'hui, nous sommes nombreux sur la planète à utiliser les réseaux sociaux, tantôt pour flâner, tantôt pour communiquer, pour se distraire, pour s'informer. Et dans le monde de l'écrit, finalement, j'ai constaté en 2017, en 2018, qu'il y avait peu d'innovation autour du format du texte. Hein. On parlait du boom de TikTok déjà, et on parlait du boom des audiovisuels sur Instagram, mais sur l'écrit, finalement, on avait un peu oublié, en quelque sorte, de créer de nouvelles expériences, à la fois créatives, donc des expériences qui vont venir aider, accompagner des processus créatifs dans le domaine de la fiction ou dans le domaine de la non-fiction, avec différents types de narratifs et différents travaux créatifs. Et puis, naturellement, ce qui est important lorsqu'on est un créateur, c'est de s'adresser à un public, donc à un public connecté, qui, au travers d'une application mobile, au travers d'une web plateforme, pourrait donc finalement décider, organiser ces rituels de lecture en organisant dans une application sans publicité, dans un espace, je dirais, où le calme et le silence, en quelque sorte, de lecture et d'interaction est vraiment mis en valeur au profit des œuvres, des histoires et donc de la lecture donc de ces publics.
Very interesting, because in summary, like if I summarize what he just said, it is very important to have a platform where the authors can actually connect to the rest of the world, because you can't just write and keep it in a drawer. You need to show it to the rest of the world. And with those different platforms coming up, Panadossi like actually suggests a free way of connecting to the rest of the world. Voila. And my next question would be, how does Panodesi stand out from other creative writing platforms available on internet? Alors, comment Panodesi se distingue d'autres types de plateformes disponibles sur l'Internet? Parce que vous n'êtes pas la première, peut-être, il y a d'autres. Alors, quelles sont les spécificités?
Oui, exactly. So on the web writing platform, mainly in the competitive world, we can identify American players like Wattpad from Canada, like Medium from US, or like Substack, also from US. So, what is unique on Panodisi? First of all, Panodisi, the design of the product is the design, the focus is a new experience of social media. What is a social media? In all social medias, like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc., you have a news feed. You have a news feed. And when you download the mobile app on your Apple Store, available on Apple Store or Google Play Store, if you download the Panodisi app, in fact, on the bottom bar, you can see a news feed dedicated to the short content, okay, and a library, a huge library dedicated to long format content. And so it's a very complementary usage as a reader, because you can switch from news to the historical or to stories in a diversity of categories: fiction, non-fiction, fan fiction, thriller, historical, adventure, new romance, etc., etc. So this usage of social media is unique, but it's we have over important point. First of all, when we decided to design Panodisi, the first question was how we can design a social media, a trusted social media, without fake profile, without fake comments, and without fake content. How we can valorize the intellectual property, to valorize the creation, and how we can make the transparency on the production chain value of content, and also we're getting the comment dire, the economical and monetization of content, but we can talk later about this point. So, and it is the reason why at the beginning, the first thing we did when we put in fact the proof of concept on PanEC, we decided in fact to develop a certification process on PanEC. All accounts, all creative accounts, like writer, authors, you certify your account. You certify because why? First of all, to protect you as a creator and to create automatically an intellectual property register behind your publication, in fact. So, and in the same times, we responsibilize the creator. Okay, so this point is unique, and we are the only social media to certify this kind of of accounts for self-publishers and also for brands. It's two different processes, but the goal is the same. In this case, one of the positive impact of this is the quality of the content and the quality of interaction. As a reader or as a creator, we respect the member inside the community. Okay, we say hello, we say bye-bye, and so. After that, in this safe place, we don't have advertising. Why no advertising? But because we want to valorize the attention of the public. We think we have a brain as human, and we don't want to disturb you or to aggress you with a different advertising model. So here is some example to justify how we can are unique, in fact, on PanEC. I would like also to add regarding this point, in the back office of PanEC, one of the important challenge for the writers is how we can match with the public on the web, because the problem is not the diversity of space between the social media platform, Wattpad, Medium, etc. We have, okay, so the challenge, and particularly for the self-publisher, is how can I build my community, and an engaged community, not a fake community, okay? And it is the reason why PanEC is also the only social media absolutely open. What does it mean? If you are going now, forget the mobile app for the moment, and now go to the web. Go to the web platform, and on Google, for example, you can type PanEC. Okay, you have the full access to all content and all creators' profile without an account. It's non-mandatory to create an account to access the content. What is the benefit as a creator? The SEO impact. And this SEO impact is amplified with the quality of the data and the metadata in link with your content, your profile, because when you publish a long format content on PanEC, first of all, you create your profile certified, then you create your first digital space, editorial space to customize your editorial project. Customization regarding the business model, regarding the topic, regarding the presentation and the format. And this space, the name of this space is a creative room. And after that, you publish a different page, different chapter, different articles in your own creative rooms. And in link with your creative rooms, in fact, we create plenty of metadata in link with your text, in link with your visual, to amplify the impact on the web.
Right, wonderful. Now we understand the process behind PanEC. So now we are actually curious to discover this website. So would you mind sharing your screen and show us like how to create an account there and how to become an author? Donc, pouvez-vous nous montrer les différentes étapes à suivre pour créer un compte et devenir un auteur certifié?
Yes, of course. So here is my screen. I think, does it work?
Yes, yes.
Yes, perfect,
All
excellent.
visible.
So, not this one, perhaps this one. Okay, I have a lot of windows. Okay. Alors, so first of all, I disconnect. Okay. And on panel ici, voilà. Alors, if you want to create an account, it's very simple. We can switch in English. We can switch in English here. Okay. Alors, comme par hasard, ça va pas marcher. Okay, so voilà. Here, you can click on the login. You have three possibilities. You create your account via Google Connect or Facebook Connect. I recommend you, or you create via, comment dire, an email, email and password. Okay, so you have three status on panel ici. First one. I am a reader without account. If I am going here, I am not connected. I don't know why it's slow today. So you can see, I can read this article published by Charita. So I am not connected. Okay, but if I want or if I want to comment, for example, okay, in this case, I need to connect. Okay, you can. I am already connected on panel ici, and so I use my Google Connect. So I am as a member. I already create my account and I already certified my account. But when you create your account for the first time, you are going in your profile. You can fill out your profile, of course. And for the certification, you have here account certification. It's very simple. You click here. My account is already certificated. So, and you follow the step. You have 3 steps, if I remember well. Okay. Comment dire, with
We can actually add the passport copy as the identification. Then they will validate passport copy or any identity information. Copy the passport, oui.
In the certification process, in fact, you fill out the mandatory spaces, the name, the first name, the date of birth. You upload an ID paper, and we check if your first name and your name and the date of your birth is corresponding to the paper you upload on the platform. If yes, and if we have no doubt, we certify your account. If we have a doubt, we have the second level. But this step is very very simple and fast. After this, as a creator, if you want to publish on panel ici, you create a creative room. So I can create a new creative room. So I click on the new creative room and I put a title. Okay, title of my new creative room. The description is very important. First of all, when you publish on PanUDC, we encourage the creators to take a white paper, in fact, and to ask to answer to this question: why I decided to create a creative room? What is the title? What is the description? What is the audience I target? And what is the frequency of a publication. This point is important to get in mind. So to structure your publication approach on PanVC. Alors bon, here is the description, etc. Alors so as a writer, I have a diversity of creative rooms, Alex. You know, I have creative rooms for my for professional, and I have creative rooms around my passion, personal fashion. So,
can we have infinite number of creative rooms, or is it limited? What is the maximum of creative rooms that we can have?
Currently, it's unlimited, but when we launch the new platform, when we launch the new platform, I can follow you now. In fact, this is the new platform. In fact, we will integrate a limitation of 10 creative rooms for free. 10 creative rooms for free with the new platform. This is a new platform. This product will be launched in 2 weeks. Approximately. With a new design, with a diversity of new feature. A diversity of new feature. You can see on the new platform the both universe we already integrated on the mobile app with fiction and non-fiction. And for example, in the culture, don't see the content, because all content on the development platform, because this is a development platform. It's a test. But you know. So this on this platform, in fact, we will create new interfaces to amplify the impact of the SEO, to amplify the pleasure of reading and the pleasure of the customization on PanVC, and with a diversity of access, for example, less than 3 minutes to read, a diversity of top readings, top view, etc. So, in fact, all features you can use currently on the mobile app, we will integrate on the new platform. And I can also show you this is the new landing pages dedicated to the new platform, and we will have a comparable table here with different with the new offers, free offers and subscription offers, to have a global view regarding all feature we provide. We already provide, and the new feature will provide with the new platform dedicated to the security, dedicated to the storage and organization, to the support, to the publishing tools, to the monetization tools, to the visibility, to the engagement of the community, and for Pro, new application and new API. And in the future, we will also implement a diversity of AI tools to help creators to improve, in fact, the quality of the publication and the efficiency of the publication with a diversity of AI tools. So this is concerned the new platform we will launch in 2 weeks approximately.
Right. So can you also talk about the main benefits for the authors, the monetization process behind it? Like, can they earn money from publishing articles, or is it just for free reading?
Alors, so now I am switching to the platform online now, and I'm connected with my account as a self-publisher on PanVC. This is my personal account. I use it as a self-publisher. Alors, on PanVC, you can use. Alors, I switch in English. We can use a wallet. In this case, you click here. Okay, you have a wallet. Alors, my wallet is empty because I transferred the money yesterday, I guess, on my bank account. Alors, if you want to monetize content on PanOdyssey, because, for example, you are a freelancer, you are a writer, and you want to monetize your content and to get the money. It's very simple. how do you monetize your content on Panuisi to the readers? But in fact, it's the concept. It's a prime offer. Alors, I show you my creative rooms to get a global view of my creative rooms. You can see green creative room and this yellow creative rooms. Green is for free readers. This I want to monetize, and in fact, I set a monthly subscription here, subscription management, and I decided, in fact, to set the 8 € monthly, or so I can switch and 5, for example, now. So to have an access to my creative room, okay. And after that, in my creative room, I decide when I publish content. If this content is for the Prime subscriber, alors this is for Prime and this is for free. And I can switch in Prime. So now, if you want to read as a reader this content, but in this case, you will pay the subscription. In this case, automatically, after to open my wallet, we use the Stripe technology. It's the best transactional technology now on the market, Stripe. In 2 minutes, you create your Stripe account via Panodisi. You follow the different steps to open your own wallet on Panodisi. It's the first step. And after that, you create your first Prime creative room, okay, as I show you. And and after that, when you collect the money, for example, here, I collect the money, 10 euros, 1 euro, etc., etc. In yellow, it's we're getting the money from the subscription, readers to pay subscription, and sometimes you can get donation, okay. It is the reason why it's in green. If you click on the button, you have automatically, in fact, the invoice to certificate. For example, my reader pay 10 euros here to get the access to my Prime creative rooms, and the name of my creative room is "Tu veux découvrir mes secrets, abonne-toi à ma secret room." The access is 10 euros monthly. And automatically, 1 second after, immediately, my wallet was credited to 8.40 euros. And after that, you have a little fee for Panodisi, a little fee for Stripe to manage the payment, and a little fee to pay the fiscal
Taxes?
VAT, the tax. Yes, thank you. So. Well, it's very simple, and all the monetization system and tools are integrated, in fact, on Panodisi. It's one of the advantage. And after that, for example, the 24th of October, for example, I transfer this money, 47 euros, on my personal bank account. I set on Panodisi.
Okay. So now that we saw all the technical aspects behind the website, what advices you would like to give to the young people in this webinar if they want to start writing, because the creative writing is not an easy task? What advice would you give them? Alors, quel conseil donneriez-vous aux jeunes pour commencer, pour lancer dans cette aventure? Et comment vous avez commencé, et on peut être inspiré par votre expérience?
Je réponds en français ou en anglais?
Ah ben, les deux.
Les deux?
Oui.
Alors, je vais commencer en français. Je vais parler lentement.
Oui.
Alors, tout d'abord, ce que je ne vous ai pas dit, là, je vous ai montré le produit. Je vous ai montré, voilà, le produit, il a des avantages et puis parfois, il a des petits inconvénients, que nous faisons évoluer. Mais Panodisi, ce n'est pas qu'un produit. Panodisi, c'est un produit et c'est un accompagnement. Et ça, c'est très important. Un accompagnement, ça veut dire quoi? Ça veut dire, évidemment, être présent lorsque les utilisateurs de panneaux lycée cherchent une fonctionnalité. Parfois, ils nous disent ça marche pas, ça marche, mais ils n'ont pas compris comment ça marchait. Donc, il faut être présent et faire de l'accompagnement, exactement ce que font les professeurs donc en classe. Ils accompagnent leurs élèves. Eh bien, nous accompagnons nos créateurs donc à la prise en main, à la formation de l'outil, des outils, de la technologie. Ça, c'est indispensable pour commencer à créer une harmonie entre un produit et une communauté. Et ensuite, il y a un troisième bloc. Le troisième bloc, en fin de compte, moi, je viens du monde de la création. J'ai fait le conservatoire de musique, que j'ai raté. Je n'avais absolument aucun talent. C'est pour ça que je me suis beaucoup occupé d'artistes. Et comment dire et donc, Panouissé, c'est une marque. C'est pas une marque de technologie, c'est une marque de créativité. Et c'est là où vous faites la différence entre Medium, qui est une marque de technologie, qui a d'ailleurs été créée par l'un des deux cofondateurs de Twitter. Je n'ai rien contre, mais je déteste Twitter X et tout ce qui va avec. C'est évidemment différent de l'esprit d'un réseau social comme LinkedIn, Facebook, comment dire, ou Instagram, hein, qui vous disent bien souvent qu'ils sont là pour les créateurs, ils n'en ont rien à faire. Voilà. Et donc, Panoussi est une marque donc éthique parce que, comme nous vous l'avons montré, il y a une transparence totale sur la propriété intellectuelle, il y a une transparence totale sur comment dire, sur la monétisation des contenus, qui gagne quoi, et en priorité les auteurs. Il n'y a pas de publicité, donc il n'y a pas d'algorithme, on va dire, vicieux. Et donc, tous ces éléments-là donc, participent à créer cet univers de marque créatif. Et donc, lorsque nous faisons des fonctionnalités, lorsque nous décidons, par exemple, de développer de nouvelles fonctionnalités sur Panouissé, eh bien, on est vraiment des créateurs donc, de contenu. Et donc, nous avons les codes et une manière donc, de faire qui est évidemment très différente, j'imagine, des autres. Et pour preuve, c'est qu'en fin de compte, je dirais que 95% des fonctionnalités que nous faisons, on prend les décisions avec un petit groupe de créateurs et ils sont complètement intégrés au processus, comment dire, de fabrication de nos fonctionnalités. Voilà. Donc, alors, pour répondre ensuite à la question, comment, mais ça c'était important donc à, à partager, je dirais, ces trois blocs qui caractérisent Panodyssée, parce qu'en fin de compte, bah, Panodyssée c'est très simple, c'est comme à l'école, il faut commencer. Il faut commencer petit, take your time on Panodyssée. First of all, if you download the app, if you create an account, it is because, okay, you decide to take the time to invest a part of time to discover a new experience. Okay, it's the first step. Hein? And after that, okay, so look the content, look the community, look the type of content, the trends on Panudisi. Et petit à petit, en fin de compte, vous allez commencer à rentrer dans la communauté et puis bah, vous allez décider à publier donc un premier projet, une poésie, un roman, un article qui vous tient à cœur. Et c'est comme ça, en fin de compte, que votre première expérience va commencer donc à se réaliser. Voilà.
Voilà, il faut toujours oser. C'est ça.
Oui, ah bah, bah oui, il faut oser parce que incontestablement, en particulier dans ce monde des plateformes, c'est un monde de moutons en quelque sorte. Et donc, lorsque vous avez des projets comme nous qui sont quand même très out of the box, hein, donc bah, il faut oser incontestablement. Et on appelle ça les pionniers, hein, les premiers bâtisseurs. Et voilà. Et des expériences, franchement, comment dire, comment dire, vont s'enchaîner. Et la plupart, en tout cas des créateurs qui sont passés sur Panoulycée, sont restés et s'épanouissent, grandissent, se rencontrent, hein. Il y a beaucoup comment dire, de rencontres créatives qui se font. Ben ça, c'est justement l'esprit communautaire. Et puis finalement, vous allez avoir une idée de projet, ça va vous donner envie, ça va vous motiver. Voilà, c'est un peu comme un club.
D'accord. Donc, et j'ai également vu, il y a des concours d'écriture sur le site. Donc, est-ce que vous pouvez parler un peu, est-ce qu'il y a des concours disponibles pour nos étudiants de l'université? Ils peuvent participer. Because I saw some writing competitions available on this website. So this is something very interesting for our English and French students. Alors,
Oui, yes, exactly. On PanUC, we love, in fact, to organize a writing contest. Hein. Alors, for example, I am showing you because it's good because in fact yesterday we published an article to announce the winners of the last writing contest. It was dedicated to the summer trends.
hmm,
Hein. And we publish on this publication in French. So the winners for
hmm,
the 24 summer edition with Jean-Christophe Mojard for the thriller, Effie G for the new romance, aventure, etc., etc. So and at the beginning of October, we launch a new writing contest dedicated to the legend and tales. It's this concours d'écriture multiformat Panodicée, oui. Plume, conte et légende. Hein. D'ailleurs, ça c'est aussi intéressant parce que la présentation de ce concours d'écriture, bon, moi, bon, je suis un écrivain débutant, hein, mais voilà, je mets aussi une patte, je raconte une petite histoire pour présenter ce concours. Alors, vous avez différents prix, hein, different prizes, hein, different categories. So, for this writing contest dedicated to tales and legends. So, and on PanUC, it's very simple, in fact, to participate because here is, we have different tag on PanUC. It's one of the new difference than Instagram, for example, because all tags on PanUC are interactive. If I click here, for example, automatically, bam, I have a new page, a new result page. Donc with all publication in ink with this tag, and this tag I create, it's a unique tag, and it's and with this unique tag, in fact, we can create different categories dedicated to this writing contest. Huh? Alors, so it's very interesting because, in fact, at the difference, there's plenty of writing contests organized by the school, by city, by cultural organizations, etc., etc. On PanUC, everything is transparent, and every user, every readers can read and can like, can comment, can share. So the publication published by the writers. And in fact, at the end, the idea so to choose or to help to choose the winners is thanks to the public, because in fact we have after that the data dedicated to the number of readings, number of comments, number of diversity of KPIs, in fact, to help, for example, the jury, to help the jury to choose the final winners. It's a very ludique, je ne sais pas comment on dit ludique en anglais.
funny,
It's funny.
humorous. It is humorous. Yeah.
Voilà. Et c'est vraiment comment dire, une expérience d'écriture en ligne ou de coécriture en ligne vraiment très intéressante et qui amuse et qui séduit
Mm.
naturellement des créateurs. Alors des créateurs, des jeunes créateurs, mais des créateurs, comment dire, plus de différentes générations. Et it's also interesting on Panisi to see the comment dire the cohabitation in fact of the harmony of the sociology. We have three comment dire 30% in fact of the community, the creative community, less than 35 years old, 30% between 35 and 55, and approximately 30% up than 55. Huh? So, and it's also interesting to, comment dire, to mention this point. And one other thing I would like to share with you was, c'était pas concernant la sociologie, mais c'était, yes. So, because PyMC, it's a jump, it's the challenge, the one of the mission of PyMC is to help self-publisher to meet a public and like a jump, in fact, to create the community. And I hope to sign an agreement with a publisher for a book or something like that. So, and on the back office of PyMC, for example, tomorrow I have an interview with Le Monde, it's the main newspaper in France. So I will mention young writers who publish on PyMC. We already did this on different media like BFM TV from France, or other interview with journalists. It's the club of PyMC is also to highlight new talent and to open on the communication window this new talent when we can highlight them.
Right, wonderful. Could you please elaborate on this intelligence artificielle? Est-ce qu'on peut utiliser intelligence artificielle pour créer des contenus sur ce site? Et quel est votre point de vue? Parce que j'ai également vu des concours où on peut vraiment utiliser AI pour créer des contenus. Et voilà, à long terme, quel conseil donneriez-vous? Parce que là, les jeunes, maintenant, ils adorent utiliser l'intelligence artificielle pour créer des contenus pour aussi, hein? Donc...
Alors, yes. Alors, first of all, one of important thing regarding PyMC is a European project. Why it's European project? But because PyMC is supported by the European Commission, and we created a different action, different project. The name of the project is a European Consortium dedicated to fight fake news or fake content or fake profile, dedicated to the AI technology. And the name of this action is CREA Trust AI. CREA is the Creativum European Alliance Trust AI, and a new one dedicated to the trusted digital space in cooperation with a diversity of audiovisual and TV channel broadcasting company in Europe. So, so what about AI? In fact, we already use AI for a long time on the web. If you use Microsoft and the back office, and if you correct your text with the corrector integrated in this software, you use AI. In the past, it was not the name of the technology, but so. Okay. For us, it's not a topic. Pour ou contre l'IA, c'est pas un sujet. Voilà. Alors, now on PanVC, what we are doing regarding AI. First of all, in November, so very soon, we will officially, the next press conference, the 19th of November morning, the day of my birthday, we will announce officially the launching of the notice dedicated to the AI and intellectual property. What does it mean? If I use AI technology on PanVC or outside PanVC to make a visual via Copilot, via Midjourney, blah, 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 okay. I will, as a self-publisher, encourage to fill out the notice and to mention what kind of tool I use, what kind of the version of the software, what kind of block is concerned by the AI tools I use, visual, text, tag, layout, etc. So always to make the transparency. If I use this notice, in fact, as a self-publisher, I will be awarded by a bonus for your visibility on PanVC, for example. Not only, but just an example. So it's, first of all, we create comment dire, the model to, comment dire, to make the transparency between the public and the question. Hein? And after that, so we, comment dire, we encourage the community to use it. So it's the first point. The second point, as I show you today, when we're getting the new platform, the new web platform. So in the future, we will integrate new AI tools on Panudc. AI tools are for individuals, for self-publishers, also for publishers, because in the same time, in November, press publishers or book publishers could use Panudc with new services dedicated to the publishing industry. So if I want to use AI tools to comment dire, for my layout, for example, on Panudc, because the quality of layout is very important to amplify the pleasure and the comfort of readings for the reader. So in fact, so it's a positive AI tools for all the chain value, from the creator to the reader. So voilà, it's an example. We will implement a diversity of AI tools. Alors, so and the AI tools we will integrate via diversity of API in the new web editor WYSIWYG technology. So we will choose comment dire, honest AI technology. And we will valorize European AI technology, for example, probably DeepL, for the translation. And so, voilà.
Right. So that's very interesting.
After that, I must say.
Yeah. So now we are, do you want to add something? Because
Yes, excuse me. No, it's okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So now we are at the last part of our webinar. It's time for your questions. So if you have questions, you can directly ask, or if not, you can type on chat. It's your turn. So if you're curious, please don't hesitate. Yeah. So because I've seen some content writers, for example, Sanugi, do you have any questions because you were interested in publishing back then? Is it something, this website is something appealing to you, or what is your opinion?
C'est pour moi la question?
Non, c'est pas pour toi,
Oui.
c'est pour une étudiante.
Oui.
Parce que j'ai une étudiante, elle adore écrire. Voilà, Sanugi. Ou quelqu'un d'autre? So if you have any questions, please ask.
Madame,
Oui.
bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. So I'm so interested in writing poems. So like I'm so into poetry and I would love to use this site to gain some recognition. But the thing is that is there like the poets, are poets recognized there in that site?
Of course, it's recognized. There is a separate section for poetry and songs. You have to select the right category to publish. First, you go as a publication, and at the end, they would ask to in which category you should publish it. So there you choose poetry and songs. There is like a huge visibility. The moment you put your poetry on Panudc, you will see like Google will index it and it will come into top. Believe it or not, I had my blog for a long time and some of the articles never came up in Google. So now since 2 weeks, I've been using Panudc. I'm a very faithful user and my articles have got a lot of views. I have around 20,000 views so far. So it's the best platform, I would say, and it is organic weaves that you have, not just clicking and going here and there. You get the organic weaves. So I would highly recommend this would be your first step, and one day you can become a published author. Till you become a published author in the paper version, you will already have your fan base line up in Panodesi. It can be the the marketing tool for your publishing career in future. So do not hesitate. Start from little steps, and now you're in the second year of the university. The moment fourth year, you will be a very respected author at the end of the fourth year in the university. Right. So go for it.
Okay, madam. Merci beaucoup, madam.
Right. So anyone else who write, it doesn't have to be in French. You can write in English as well, huh? Because I publish in both languages. If you're not sure to publish in French, it's not a problem. Later, you can start smoothly. Let me see. Aminda, do you have any questions or any questions from the first years? We have Chanuli, Andrea. Any questions for Alexandra? You can ask him because you always talk to me. Now it's your time to talk to a French. And the other one, Alexandra, can we get the authors from which countries that they're published? Can we get a list of the countries or things like that from your Panodesi website? Do you have statistics like that? How many authors from Sri Lanka, how many authors from India, how many authors from USA? Do you have a system like that to collect statistics like that, or it's just open?
Yes, alors currently, all creators can publish on Panodesi. Even if in the future, I think we will redesign, in fact, the possibility of publishing. But mainly 80% of the of creators come from French or Swiss, and a little bit Quebec. And after that, mainly 20%. In 20%, it's mainly English creators from a diversity of territories. In the past, we had an action in the Spanish area and Italian. But now, for the moment and for the next year, we will concentrate our strength and energy for the English and French community.
Right. So if we don't have any more questions, I think, yeah, we are right on time. We like to thank Alexandra for accepting our request and giving us your valuable time. So I invite Aminda, she's the president of the French Club. She would like to give the thanking note.
Thank you so much for the association, for the club, and to the university and all students and teachers. Thank you so much for your curiosity and your attention and your question.
Right. Aminda, maintenant, tu peux donner ton discours de remerciement.
Merci, madame. Je voudrais remercier Monsieur le Forestier au nom des étudiants français de notre université pour avoir pris le temps de partager vos connaissances avec nous aujourd'hui. Monsieur, votre participation à ce webinaire est bien sûr un honneur pour notre club français. On apprécie votre passion pour créer une plateforme pour tout le monde qui s'intéresse à l'écriture créative. Comme les étudiants, je suis sûre que beaucoup d'entre nous espèrent de devenir l'auteur et des créateurs de contenu, mais il est souvent difficile de savoir par où commencer. Donc, cette opportunité d'écrire et de publier notre travail sur Panodesi est une idée que nous trouvons intéressante. Et aussi, je crois que les connaissances que vous avez partagées avec nous aujourd'hui étaient une source d'inspiration pour tous les étudiants qui espèrent démarrer leur voyage d'écriture. Alors, encore une fois, nous vous disons merci, Monsieur le Forestier, pour ce moment et pour tout ce que vous avez partagé avec nous aujourd'hui. Nous vous souhaitons tout le succès possible dans vos projets futurs. Merci.
Oh, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup, Aminda. Donc, alors, est-ce que vous aimeriez prendre une photo ensemble avec les vidéos ouverts, with videos open? Let's see how many of you all would open the video. Huh? Like, let me stop the recording.